what's up? So today I went to IKEA. I have been wanting to have a vanity, or at least a vanity-ish type of like situation in my bathroom or somewhere in my apartment. Let me show you guys. I emptied out and cleared out some space in my kitchen so that I can make room for it. Right now you could see my stool that I got, but it looks like a small space. But I measured it out and I should be able to fit like a small desk that I'm going to start using as my vanity. So when everything's all said and done, it's going to have the desk. I have a couple of organizing things. I have some things that are coming in the mail from Amazon that I'll wait to show you and tell you guys about. But yeah, I figured I'd show you and keep you guys in the journey along with me and see what it's about. The desk that I got, normally a lot of beauty gurus get the Alex desk, but again, it's a small space. So I just went and did the Mickey. It's probably gonna show up backwards on y'all, but it's the Mickey desk. I did all the measurements and it should be able to fit in that space. And if worse comes to worse, I have another space or another area that I plan on putting it at, which will be my room. But either way, whichever ends up working out, I'm gonna show you guys, and I'll show you a little bit. Now it's by IKEA, like I said, so we all know how IKEA, putting things together with IKEA, how that goes. But I've put a couple things together from IKEA, so I think I don't want to say I'm a pro, but I think I know what I'm doing. It does take time, but I'll videotape and show you guys some of me putting it together, and let's see how everything turns out. And then I also want to show you guys also how I organize, how I plan to organize my desk so that all my makeup, because I have makeup, but I feel like I don't use my makeup as much as I can use it because of how I have it situated. I have it tucked away, put away, and I feel like I don't have easy access to it, and it kind of deters me from actually using it. So hopefully this should help. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, she bad. Oh, she got it. Got all my niggas in love. That sexy body break a brother. What's up? I think she know what she doing, what she doing. Could be looking for a clue. Don't you wish you had a nigga spot? Yeah, I'm feeling that. Chase a nigga back for what you want. I be killing that. That pussy so clumsy. Water be spilling that. Tummy pissed on a nigga. You got a lot of turn-ons. It's so funny, but no. I'ma make it twerk for it. The value of this dick don't want a better work for it. Yeah, you need attention. I've been watching. Now you flirt for that late at night. That's what a tweet a nigga. Yeah, the birds call it. I know this ain't the usual. A nigga chillin' with you, something you ain't used to though. Thought I was bugging for not fucking, but I'm used to yo. Truth is, you finna be the unusual. You finna be the unusual.
You mean before Mother Day? I'd say we were close. Just like I had a second mom.
Okay, hi guys. So it's a couple days later. As you guys know, I did, and you guys watched in the previous clips, I put my desk together, and now everything is all set. I got the desk, like I told you guys before. I wanted a vanity table, something where I could be able to have access to my makeup easier. And then I also went on Amazon and I bought these glass acrylic makeup organizers. So now that it's all set and ready, I wanted to show you guys and give you like a little bit of a tour of my little vanity table. This way I hope to be able to do more makeup videos. I haven't even done one yet, but I plan to do makeup videos. If you guys want to see a tutorial of what I have on right now, my makeup, just let me know in the description box. But here we go. I'll show you, it's in my bathroom, and I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so my bathroom is pretty small, but here it is. I measured it perfectly. It fit right between my sink and my toilet, but this is perfect for me to fit it. There goes my little Chanel picture frame that I got a steal on. I got it at Burlington for $5. So if you guys are interested in getting like photos that are like or like pictures where you can hang up on your wall in your home but want to get it for a good price, check out Burlington Coat Factory. They also have home decor. But let's start from the bottom. I got the chair from TJ Maxx. Got a pretty good deal on it. It rolls and it spins, which is really good. And then I got my desk from IKEA. Got the desk from IKEA, spent, I think it was like $50. So that was a good deal. I wouldn't really have wanted to spend any more. But yep, I spent $50. And it has a drawer. So right now, since I opened up my drawer, I'll show you what I have. I have my Kylie and Jordan makeup palette. I just got it, so you guys will see tutorials with me using that. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills, I think it's Norvina, that's how you pronounce it, my Norvina palette. I really love this palette. And then because I had my makeup tucked away, you guys can see, and I completely forgot, I had my Lancome palette. I think I got this completely for free when I used to work for Lancome, and they gave it to us as a gift. I think I got it for free. I might have not. I might have paid the actual cash for this, but I have that palette, and then I have my Urban Decay palette. It's the first one that I've ever got, even though it's the third, it's the first one. I like it. I think it matches with my skin tone, the colors. And then there used to be back downtown from where I live, there used to be a Kiko makeup store. Their makeup's pretty inexpensive, but I had started a palette. There's not really many shadows in here, but you know, I paid for it, so I may as well keep it. So I have that. And then over here, I have all my mascaras, my Lancome mascaras, my Ulta mascaras, e.l.f. I have an e.l.f. mascara. Got it for like a gift. And I put like this lotion here is actually a pretty good body lotion from Lancome. I have that there, and then I did put my Benefit Professional Primer. I just haven't used it yet, so I just figured I tucked it away. Just use the makeup. Makeup's everywhere. That's not cute. Anyway, over here, I just have a lip brush. I have some little small scissors. And then in here, I have, these are samples, but I have samples of blush. And then I have my full-size blushes here. This right here is just a face powder. And these are some Clinique eyeshadows that I bought that I completely forgot I even had. Then when you look up here, I did put this little mat on here. Got it also from IKEA. It was really cheap. Just used it so it'll be more easier with cleanup when I were to do my makeup if I were to spill anything. Then I do have like this little mirror here. It does light up, and the light does come on and off. But I have, go ahead, turn on. Have that. Then I have this glass container that keeps all my brushes. And then I had to get two. Something told me, Ericka, buy two of these. Two of these where I had like little lipstick holders, because as you can see, I have tons of lipsticks and lip glosses that I didn't even know or realize that I had so many. And because of it, there's a lot that I did not get to use. So I finally have that. And then I have right now, to make it easy access, I have my foundation, which is my Fenty Beauty, and my Urban Decay spray setting makeup setter. It's called All Nighter. It works pretty good. And I have my concealer here from Lancome, and I have the smaller version, which I wanted to test it out first. That's why I have the small version first, and that's the one I'm using first, of the Professionals. I really like it, so that's why I got it in the bigger size and have it tucked away for later. Then I have this little container here, also from IKEA, really cheap, just to keep some cotton balls. I have, like I said before, all my other lipsticks. Then I have some of my face, what do you call them? My face serums, that's the word. Could not think of it to save my life. Some serums here, Genifique. And then I have this Absolute Precious Oil. This I knew, well, both of these were, but this was definitely a gift that I got when I used to work for Lancome, and I've just been saving it and using it very little because it's expensive, very expensive. And then in the first drawer here, I have some more face powders. I have my pencil sharpeners. I have my corrector. Sorry, I put the camera down a little bit. And then in these next drawers, I have all these different shadows that I completely have not had the opportunity to use. I completely forgot about it because of the fact that they were just tucked away. I had it all tucked away in my caboodle, which at the time when I was young, it was perfect for me to have the caboodle. But now as I'm more into makeup, it's very hard for me to access stuff. And then in the second drawer, more shadows, MAC shadows that I used to get. And then I couldn't fit it with the rest of my lipsticks and lip gloss, but I have my Fenty lipstick and my Fenty lip gloss here. Then in this next drawer right now, I just have my Fenty powder. It's supposed to help with keeping control of oil control, so I have that. And then in this drawer, I just have some lip scrub, some mixing solution. So like use a mixing solution to know if I have like for here, like a pigmented loose powder to put on my eyeshadow to make it more bold. That's what I have for, and some, and then I also have some beauty blenders. And then this right here, I'm just keeping my, I think it's called Take the Night. It's kind of scratched off because I've used it. But it's Take the Night Off. It's from Clinique. It is a makeup remover. I love it. I think it's for me, the easiest way to take off my makeup. It's kind of like a consistency of like a, kind of like a lotion. Not really a lotion. More of like a, kind of like a coconut bar or something. That's how, like, the consistency of it, and you just put it on your face and it literally like melts away your makeup. But this is just my little corner. Like I said, when I start doing more videos, you guys are gonna see me here way more often. So I hope you guys enjoyed my small little video just talking about me going ahead and putting the drawer together, and now that it's all complete, how all my makeup is organized and nice. I'm pretty excited because I do plan on using this desk often, very, very often. I feel like it's gonna make it just so much more easier for me now that I actually have a legit place where I can sit down and really go at it with my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said before, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And you guys will be definitely seeing more videos from me very soon. Bye.